Y'all, I am complete. Look at the face. What you saying, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live like the affordable way. My name is Monique. Today I am excited because we have another LOCS and LOCS episode, and we are trying Fenty Beauty products for the first time. Your girl want to see what the hype was really about. Not sponsored. I ordered these products with my own money. So this is Fenty Beauty. Now Fenty, y'all gonna do a little bit better with the mailing package. I just gotta let y'all know I being real. Box, when you open it, you see Fenty inside, and then it also came with this slip. So the products I get was the Pro Filter setting powder, the Match contour stick, the Pro Filter concealer, and the eavesdrop blur. So basically let me know what all comes. So then we have a bunch of paper. It's literally in the middle. Today I'm gonna do a minimal makeup look, and I wanted to try each product. Now I've heard people raving about this. They say this goes on like butter. This is the eavesdrop blur, and this is in the color 16. Only thing is I ordered everything offline, so I don't know how the color matching is gonna be, but we'll see. And then I also ordered the instant retouch concealer, so let's try that out. This is in the color 350. Kind of bright, but it should be able to work in the color 350. And then I got the setting powder. Y'all know we always have to have some form of setting powder in stock, and this is in the color 05 honey. So this is the setting powder that I ordered. Good stuff. So basically I ordered four products, and I ordered these because they was up on the sale. Y'all know we live affordable over here, but Fenty Beauty is actually affordable. Hold on. And then I also got the Match contour stick. Oh Jesus, breaking up my little nail with that. So this is the Match contour stick right here. So first things first, let's prime our face. So we're using the primer. This is actually, shoot, I forget the name, but we're using the primer today, and we're just gonna prime our face just a little bit. It's the matte primer. Like, I've been using this for a while. I actually love how it goes on like butter, literally. So gotta prime the face up. My eyebrows are already done, as you can see. Y'all know eyebrows take the longest. Now I excited to try this eavesdrop blur stick. They say that this goes on like butter. Hold on, it don't have much product. I wonder how long this gonna last, but they say this goes on like butter, so let's see. I doing a little natural look. How y'all feel about the shade match? I don't know yet, so I ain't gonna put nothing on my forehead. Actually went on very smooth. Let's see how it blends in. I wonder if I should do it with, oh, just blending in. OMG, just literally blending right into my skin. Look like I chose a perfect match. I wonder if I should do it with my finger. Y'all, I think I chose the perfect match. Let me get a closer mirror. I don't wanna rush the video. Like, I need to take this in, see how everything is looking. But this is literally going in on like butter. Like, it doesn't feel like nothing is on my skin. I think this is like a tint, so it's supposed to tint the skin. So now we're gonna go in with the concealer, and this is in the color 350. I don't know if to use a lot or a little bit, because I've never used this concealer before, so we're just gonna be on the safe side and use a little bit. Yo, the concealer is a bit creamy. I'm trying to see if it dry down. It really is brightening up my under eye. Y'all think I should have gone a shade darker, or I should leave it there? I don't know. I like the color that I chose. Went to the next side and it's not dry, so it's a bit creamy. It's actually blending really well. I actually like how it's blending in. Creamy, and it's very easy to move. Okay, my under eye is really bright. That's it. Oh, I think I'm liking it. Like, anytime I'm using different makeup, I always have to get used to it. I think my under eye is bright. How is the shade matching going? Like, give me your thoughts. And then we're going in with the Match contour stick. Okay, how you open? Squeeze it, you pull it. Okay, you pull it. And then we're gonna put some on the sides. Now I really was excited for this contour stick. Love how it feels on. First we're gonna do on my chin first. Y'all, this is literally blending like right in, and I already can see the definition. I always do my jawline because I have like a double chin and I want to hide it, so yeah. Okay, so now we're doing the contour, pressing it in. And the key to contouring is to definitely go in with super light stroke. Y'all see how it's blending in? Like, come on now. Gotta get the forehead. And I just brushed my contour in up into my hairline. Y'all, my face literally feels like I have on nothing. Like, I love when makeup feel like nothing. Okay, Fenty, you really did your big one. I love all the products so far. I absolutely loving this contour. I actually like how my face look. So, and it's so cute. She has a little Fenty on it. So I always put some setting powder in. I looking for it. So we're gonna go in with the triangular sponge and just set. Okay, yeah, the setting powder is really literally yellow, so I wasn't expecting like such a yellow, so I know the blend. Now my face look good. Like I'm playing, like it looks so good and it's so natural. I wonder if the camera picking up like what I'm putting down. Like, because I don't have no I didn't order no Fenty Beauty like the powder, but I always like to go over my cream with a powder. So I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance palette, and then we're gonna just go over that contour a bit just to put it in place. Okay, we literally did Fenty Beauty on the complexion. What y'all thinking so far? Let's finish the face. Let's put everything together, okay? Before we give our final judgments. Y'all, I am complete. Look at the face. As y'all can see, we get a very natural base. I absolutely love all the products I use. All of the products, okay? Nice little under eye, nice little contour, lips are on, everything is on. Fenty Beauty, you did it. So I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Let me know which brand y'all want me to try next.